How to evaluate sellers or suppliers of AliExpress. Now, if you want to evaluate the sellers, just simply open the app of AliExpress or the website of AliExpress, and after that you just simply need to open the product or the seller's profile. You can see the seller profile below the product name. Just simply select that for any of the suppliers or sellers that you would like to evaluate, and after that tap into the sellers or the store's name from here, and then you can see all of the details such as followers, their credibility, ratings, rank, and everything from here. You can check the product reviews from this bottom page. Just simply scroll through it and check all of the reviews, and then you will know the credibility of the supplier or the store like this. If the ratings and reviews are pretty bad, then you can evaluate the supplier based on that, or the reviews and ratings are pretty good. In that case, that signifies that supplier have been doing good work and it can be trusted, and this is how you can very easily evaluate AliExpress suppliers. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.